Good day, everyone. We are the Group 3, and I am the first reporter of this group, together with my group mates, Katubig Junila Grace, Kanyete Rachel May, Namukli Delays Nadine, and Flores Christian Kid. And our lesson for today is all about the lesson 9, which is the innovation networks and partnerships, open innovation, and innovation ecosystems. But before we start, I would like to read to you the learning objectives of this lesson. So first is to understand what is innovation networks and partnerships, its contribution to innovation. Second, to know the definition of open innovation, its key characteristics, advantages and challenges of open innovation and its examples. The third one is to define what is innovation ecosystem, the type of innovation ecosystem, and its elements and roles. So, what is innovation networks and partnerships? Atong iisa-isa ang meaning sa innovation in networks and partnerships. So first, I would like to read to you the definition of innovation network. So, it is a group of individuals and organizations exchanging information, knowledge, skills, and efforts to develop, introduce, and sell innovative products on the market, improve their processes, or introduce a new business model. So, it is also the structure that allows the exchange of information, knowledge, skills, and efforts between different entities. So, in short, ang network atong ikuan ang network unsa man gid ang network. So kung mingon ta innovation kabalo naman ta sa meaning sa innovation, so unsa day ang network? It is a group of interconnected things like people, devices, or systems. So imagine like a web where with each point is connected to others by lines. So mo na siya ang networks. Mo na tong imagine ang naka-connect sa matag usa. So the main idea behind the network is that it allows things to communicate and interact with each other, making things more efficient, collaborative, and powerful. So, in other words, it is also a collaborative ecosystem where individuals, organizations, and institutions connect and share knowledge, resources, and expertise to drive innovation. So, these networks can exist within a single company or span across industries and geographical boundaries. Since human naman ta sa innovation network, so let's proceed to partnerships. So, unsa man gid ang partnerships? So, ingon diri, it is a collaborative relationship between two or more parties to achieve shared goals or mutual benefits. So, this can take various forms such as business partnerships, strategic alliances, or joint ventures. So, ang kining partnership is also known for a formal agreement between two or more parties to cooperate for a common goal. Not a scenario or example. Like for example, imagine a small bakery in northern Mindanao, diri sa Tua, sa Philippines, called Sweet Treats. Kining Sweet Treats, ang ilang ginabaligya is mga pastries. So, they want to expand their business or they want to reach and introduce their products to a wider audience. So, ang ilang gibuhat is they partner with the local coffee shop. Mano siya ang Java Buzz, known for its excellent coffee and cozy atmosphere. So atong hibalaan diri kung unsay na contribute sa Sweet Treats kay Java Buzz unsay or ang Java Buzz unsay na contribute niya sa Sweet Treats or in short, unsay lang na benefit sa matag usa. So, ang Sweet Treats naga-provide kang Java Buzz with a selection of their pastries to sell alongside to their coffee. Ang kining pastries nga ginabaligya sa Sweet Treats, nakahatag kang Java Buzz o another selection. Nanay ka partner ilang coffee. Di ba, mangita tag coffee, mangita pa tag ka partner. Like, for example, mga mo ni siya, pastries. So, si Java Buzz pod, ang iyang gibuhat is iyang gina-promote ang Sweet Treats pastries to their customers and offers them as part of their menu. So, mao nang ginabuhat kang Java Buzz. So, both businesses benefit from increased exposure, customer base, and revenue. So, silang duha naka-contribute sa ilahang gibuhat ng partnership. So, dili lang isa ang naka-benefit, di ba? So, silang duha naka-contribute and kuan pod naka-benefit pod sila sa matag usa. So, mao nang mabuhat sa partnership. So, Ang ilang na benefit is ang sweet treats, ang na benefit kang Java Buzz is naka-reach siya ang mga new customers through Java Buzz, established clientele and enjoys increased sales. So ang Java Buzz po nag-offers a wider variety of products to attract customers and enhances their overall dining experience. So this partnership is mutually beneficial, allowing both businesses to achieve their goals of expansion and growth. So may mo na nabuhat sa partnership. So ato i-combine ang duha. Unsa man gid ang meaning sa innovation network ang partnership. So nata example ani niya. Imagine a small tech startup in the Philippines developing a mobile app that helps farmers track crop health and optimize irrigation. So they partner with the local agricultural university to test the app's accuracy and receive feedback from experienced farmers. So this partnership provides valuable data and expertise, helping the startup refine their app before launching it to wider market. So before nila i-launch ang ang ilang app is nangita sila partnership. Nakipag-partnership sila sa mga university nga nag-introduce po na nakipag-partnership sila na para matest ang ilang app. Then before nila i-launch para masigurado gid nila ba nga effective o maka-adapt pud sila og mga wider audience, maka-sure sila to ensure nga kana ilang product nga is maka-benefit sa tanan or sa community. So mao na siya ang innovation networks and partnership. Here's how innovation networks and partnerships contribute to innovation. So first is access to knowledge and expertise. So networks and partnerships provide access to a wider pool of knowledge and expertise than any single organization could possess. So this allows for cross-pollination of ideas and the development of novel solutions. So ang kining access to knowledge and expertise is crucial for personal and professional growth. So because it empowers individuals to learn new skills, solve problems, and make informed decisions. So ang ikaduha is ang resource sharing. Collaboration allows organizations to share resources such as equipment, facilities, and personnel, which can reduce cost and increase efficiency. So ang resource sharing is the practice of making resources such as equipment, software, data, or even knowledge available to multiple users or groups. This can be done in various ways, and the benefits include cost savings, increased efficiency, and enhanced collaboration. Ang ikatulo is an increased market reach. Partnerships can help organizations expand their market reach and access new customers. So, ang kining increased market reach ng, for example, ang kining mga handcrafted pastries, kay kuan naman gid ni sila nagahimo man sila mga delicious pastries. So, they've been successful locally but they want to reach more customers. Kung sa ilahang ginabuhat, ang uban is nagagamit sila og electronic commerce or online presence or online store. So dira nila introduce ilang product through online, and also ang kining online presence, pwede po ang example ang social media, pwede nimo dira i-promote or i-introduce imong product using social media, and also that food delivery platform. So mao na siya ang unang pwede niyang buhaton para kung gusto niya buong paiyahang kung ano mo reach gusto pa siya mo reach sa daghang customers. So ang ikaduha is ang partnership katong ganina ang partnership. So ang kining partnership is dako gini siya tabang sa tua, especially kung build up po og business kay. So ang ikatulo pwede niya buhaton is ang marketing and promotion. Kining marketing and promotion is dako na pud ni siya og ang mahatag na contribution or benefit sa isa ka business, especially kung ikaw gusto ka mag-build og business, then mo ato kong giingon nga kung gusto pa nimo nga mo reach og daghang customers sa imong business, pwede nimo gamiton ang marketing or promotions. Kay kini magog marketing and promotions is wider audience sa gyud ang iyang makuha na ni, especially kung mogamit kag e-com or electronic commerce or online store, dako naglisig tabang para maka-reach pa kag daghang customers. So ang ikaupat is ang improved competitiveness. So innovation networks and partnerships can help organizations stay ahead of the competition by fostering collaboration and sharing best practices. So ang kining kuan, ang improved competitiveness. Imagine a small clothing boutique in northern Mindanao, which is also located in Philippines, called Threads and Style, that specializes unique handmade clothing. So they're facing increasing competition from a larger chain stores offering mass-produced clothing at lower prices. So nag-struggle sila sa ilahang competitors or sa ilahang sa ilahang business because of competition kitungod sa ilahang handmade clothing. So ang ilang ginabuhat is para ma-improve ang ilahang competitiveness is naga-focus sila sa uniqueness sa ilang product, of course. Also, the second one is sa enhanced customer experience. So ang ikatulo is to leverage technology. Ikaupat is ang strategic partnerships. Makatabang ni para ma-expand ilang product offering and attract a more diverse customer base. Nga na ang pamaagi para mo improve pa ilahang competitiveness sa ilahang sa ilahang business or sa ilang products. So that would be all for my part, and this lesson will be continued by Janila Grace Katubig about the open innovation, its origin.